So, you're about to build a house, or maybe you're going to remodel your existing home. You know you need windows, but figure they're all the same, and you may feel like you don't even know where or how to begin when shopping. Well, windows are not created equal, and window shopping can be easy. We'll help you choose the best windows that are perfect for your home, all at the right price, and make the shopping experience easy and enjoyable. Introducing Masterview Windows by Casson & Keller. We've been in the business and have been selling windows for over 70 years. We're the Northeast's most reliable window manufacturer. Masterview Windows are built in the Northeast for the Northeast. In fact, everywhere you look, you'll see a Masterview window, as our windows have been installed in new construction homes, remodels, commercial buildings, hospitals, and more. When you choose Masterview, you'll receive the best window in the industry at the highest value for your dollar. Our Energy Star qualified windows keep you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Choose top-rated designs that are removable and easy to clean. Our vinyl-made windows are designed to withstand all the outdoor elements, to last a lifetime while still having the traditional look of wood. They can even be customized in any color you want. Masterview Windows can add beauty and value to your home instantly. So don't hesitate. Call Casson & Keller at 1-800-452-7535 to get started. We want you to know that our windows have warranties you can count on, including limited lifetime warranties. We've been in business since 1946, so your warranty actually means something with us. Get started today. Call Casson & Keller at 1-800-452-7535. Built in the Northeast, for the Northeast.